I get it.
time I got an UTV and I really started mobbing it, I thought, my God, it feels like my Portal Run movie. That's the driving style you gotta do. And you just learn it. I mean, it's like driving my Portal buggy. So all of a sudden, you just put crap in the middle, and you're driving over the big crap. And I got 35, and you're like, dude, this is awesome. Like, I really like my Kawasaki. I don't know how long that video is, but it's an iPhone. You should probably cut it and start it over right now. Yeah, because remember how it cuts the video?
Oh, yeah.
Rock sliders.
Yeah, that's the way. Climb it. Most people miss these rocks. You just climb it. It's so much easier. It's supposed to happen. All right, so turn back around. Now we're gonna go back down Twister. Wyatt just told me he looked at those 2 quick videos and he said it's somewhere like 8 or 9 minutes long, something like that. That's pretty damn quick. I mean, the person that just named this trail in Reno, Nevada is me. And it was back in the day in a built buggy to get through here. Nowadays, you got a lot of rigs coming up here, 35s, 37s, having problems. Even me in the CJ7, I can come up through here, but it's a hell of a lot longer. But that's KRX 1000 for you. So we're heading down this hill right now. And at the bottom is a trail called Billy Bob's. I didn't name that one. I wasn't there that night, so Billy Bob went for it, and Billy Bob named it Billy Bob. So we'll see you in a minute.
Dude, I just had to film this. This is what we just went down. I meant up, and now he's going straight back down it. Ooh. Hello, Rock.
Yep, we're gonna find that one.
And right there, right?
Yep.
I mean, what, we hit skid plate twice?
No idea, me focused.
He's killing it out here, guys. This KRX is just non-stop. Haven't gone into reverse once, haven't got stuck, and he's just crawling over it.
You're gonna jinx it, dude.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Stop talking.
I'm sorry.
All right, so this is Billy Bob. Billy Bob's. I have never driven a UTV up this, so let's try it out. And this one's shorter, but it's rough, so let's see what happens. Dark. If you look up there, you can see the moon. That section right there was gonna bite me in the rear.
I thought that was gonna. It's a really big rock. Oh, those two look friendly.
Use your beadlock bolts to climb a rock.
Whoa,
there's some big ones.
That's a big one.
I say I climb the biggest big ones.
Yeah.
That looks like the best line to knock it. It's high center. Good job.
Attaboy. She's doing work.
back in the day, we didn't know what a UTV was, and then these Polarises came out, these 800 junk. You know what I mean? And people were throwing money at it. Never would I thought that we would ever drive up these canyons in a UTV, but I also didn't know what a UTV was. So, you know, it's one of those things. You just go, man, it's pretty crazy to think about where things have come. Oh my God, this one is going to be really technical. Oh my God.
That's the biggest rock.
Damn the reverse. You jinxed me.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you did. I don't know if I can take this way.
Oh God. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe we just took that buggy line, but I'll take it. What else we got?
Really big rocks.
I'm not going to take the easy way around, so.
Why? You're in a KRX. Okay, I gotta stop recording. I gotta check my battery real quick.
Alright.
Yeah, 7%.
Yeah, well, we only did 3%. We're 3/4 at least of the way through. That was about to do something in the line. Not sure if anybody's watching the videos. You can see all the easy lines all the way around us.
Like that one over there?
Like that one I'm going to take right now. I should have talked crap. Alright, here we go. This will be all rock fodder. Trailer yard.
Didn't touch. Yeah.
That's the exit. So thanks for running Billy Bob's. I took one reverse, 2 trails, 1 reverse. I always count my reverses, but hey, Jake for Full Access to UTV. Thanks for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate it, guys. All right, so just came out of Billy Bob's. Twisters up top, up here, comes up between the speaker blocks. This is Reno, Nevada behind me. So we got Reno, Sparks, and all the way out into Spanish Springs where we are. Looks beautiful and everything, but we just thought, hey, we got to add that to the video. So again, thanks for watching, guys.
Wait. You left your hitch pin in. You left your hitch in.